Mia, Liam, Zoe, and Ethan were four best friends who loved spending their afternoons playing together in the park. They would swing, slide, and run around, enjoying the fresh air and open space. However, one day, as they arrived at the park, they were dismayed to see that it was covered in litter. Plastic bags, soda cans, and food wrappers were scattered everywhere, tarnishing the beauty of the park. Mia was the first to speak up, suggesting that they should clean up the mess. Liam quickly agreed, realizing that if everyone continued to throw garbage around, the park would no longer be a fun and clean place to play. The kids grabbed some bags and started picking up trash, working together to make the park look presentable again. After a while, Zoe noticed how much nicer the park looked with the litter gone, and she couldn't help but smile. Ethan then had an idea, suggesting that they should remind everyone to use the bins provided in the park. From that day on, the four friends made a pact to always properly dispose of their trash and to encourage others to do the same. It became their mission to keep the park clean and enjoyable for everyone to enjoy.